What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to cut a concrete lintel. So the concrete lintel has actually got a steel rod through it as well. So what we're going to use is a 9-inch grinder, and what we're going to do is start off by scoring the line where you want to cut it, and once you've scored it, then we're going to actually cut through it. So right guys, I'll show you how to do that now. So right guys, that's how you cut a concrete lintel with steel inside it. So I hope this helps somebody else out who's having problems cutting one, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.